Good morning, everyone. It's Tammy, and it is Saturday morning when I'm videoing this, and I just got a package delivered. I haven't even really done much with myself, but I can't wait to use this yarn, so therefore I need to share it with you guys so you can see too. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. So this is from a place called Yarnspirations, and you can find it online, and they even have an app. And I'm sure you can get this yarn other places as well. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's see. So Yarnspirations, let me just show you the... And I got 5 different things. Let's just start with this beautiful green. So I got this Patton's Beehive Baby Chunky yarn, and it is super soft. It is 70% acrylic, 30% nylon. One ball can make a hat and booties, 4 to 5 balls to make a blanket, and 1 to 2 balls to make a sweater. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balls of this yarn, so I'm super excited. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to make, and those are, I think, are for the babies, but I am not going to use this for babies. I might even make myself a sweater or something. I haven't done that yet, but it is gorgeous yarn, and it feels so nice and soft, so I'm excited about that. I've never heard of that. Beehive Baby, and it is a bulky 5, and it says to use a US 10. And it has 15 stitches and 20 rows in a 4x4. So just so you guys know. But this one is in the color Quicker Clover. Very pretty. And then I also have... Oh no, it says I'm supposed to have... I only have 4 of these, and it says I'm supposed to have 8. Oh no, did I drop one? No. I'm gonna have to call them or something, because it says I ordered 8 of these, and these are gorgeous. These are metallic, and it's 3 ounces. And let me see here. This is a medium, 20 stitches and 26 rows in a 4x4, and you can make this shawl with 3 balls. So I should have 8 of these, and these are like my favorite, I think, so I'm going to need to definitely call them and find out where the other 4 are, because these are beautiful. This is in the color Pewter, and I know that these were on sale, but do you see how like metallic they are? Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. So pretty. It's even prettier in real life, I think, but gorgeous yarn. And then I have 2 of these. Yeah, all of that is right. So everything else is right. So I have 2 of these. These are the Bernay Mega Bulky, and it's super thick. Very pretty. This is a size 7, Great Jumbo. 5 stitches and 7 rows in a 4x4, and it says to use a 19mm or a US size 35 knit, so that's pretty cool. I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but I just wanted to try them. I thought they were just luxurious and so thick and nice. I love working with thick yarn because it like makes projects so fast. And then I got another one in this orange color. The first one was linen, so this is linen, and this is pumpkin. And I thought this would be cute to make a pumpkin, so that's what I kind of thought with this one. I would make like a pumpkin and fill it and just make it pretty. So that's that one. And then I also got some more of the baby yarn, and it's the same Patton's baby beehive baby yarn, and this is chunky. Is the other one chunky? Yeah, it's the exact same, only I got white. And I thought this would be good just to have as accent colors or something like that. So that's what I'm going to use this for. And that is everything. So yay. Other than, and it says that I ordered 8 and received 8 of that pewter, or shipped 8, but it hasn't come. So maybe it's still coming. I don't know. I'm going to have to check my order form or my order online and see what it says. But Yarnspirations, and yeah, I'm really excited. I don't know what I'm going to start with yet, but woo! Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.